Over a white base, add cream paints in a random pattern. Next, outline your feathers with cream paints in the orange, fuchsia and yellow colours. Define your feathers with the Vivid Brights liners in Fire, Halo, Petal, Black and White. And then repeat the process a gazillion times until your chest is full of feathers. Paint the flower parts of the feathers with the Vivid Bright pots in an assortment of colours of your choice. To detail your feathers, add dots and dashes using the black and white vinyl liners. Go cray with those dots. For the neck feathers, first outline in a yellow cream paint, then the gold Vivid Bright pot, next fill in with the Milk Jumbo pencil, lastly adding definition with a Vivid Brights liner. For the face, use Total Control Drop foundations, keeping it lighter in the middle, using the Milk Jumbo pencil to highlight. To one side, add a colourful contour using the cream paint, setting with the Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. Paint a couple of feathers on the other side in the same way as before and add a nose contour using the Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. Get your wig and your turban on quick. For lips, smudge out Soft Metallic Lip Cream in Paris, in the centre adding Cosmic Metals Lip Cream in Metropolitan Light. Add some finishing dots, some custom feathery wicked lashes, decorate your turban and add a bindi.